Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Super Rising GCash. So let's start. As you know, Super Ace is a casino where you can play in some countries. In some countries are not available yet, but in some countries yet. So how you can play it? Well, first you have to go to a page that is available Super Ace. In this case, you can check here. It's available Super Ace only. We can play or demo for free. Of course, you have to be over 18 years old. Okay, so it's important to know it. And when you check it, well, you can start playing the game now. How you can play with the catch? Well, only you have to introduce the catch account or something like that, and you can start playing without any problem there. But as I told you, you have to check if in your country is available, because not in all countries are available the Super Ice. So you have to check it. And first, when you check it, you can start playing in case that you have GCash or something like that. You can start doing this or the games that are unsupervised. In this case, you can check here the home screen, supervised features, golden cars, and those kind of things. That game is available, so you can start checking if in your casino is available this game. When you do it, well, start playing that without any problem. So that's how you can do it, guys. Yes, it's a little bit confused, but you have to check first if your casino is available the game before playing on the catch. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.